What if the smartest SUV you could buy isn't the newest, but the one that refuses to die? Some vehicles aren't just reliable, they're built to outlast trends, owners, and even expectations. We're talking about SUVs that regularly push past 300,000 miles, with some hitting 500,000 miles on basic maintenance alone. No constant breakdowns, no expensive surprises, just consistency year after year. In this video, we're counting down 5 SUVs known for extreme longevity. Models with proven engines, bulletproof transmissions, and real-world track records that mechanics respect. A few picks are obvious, but others might change how you think about value in a vehicle. Stay until the end because the number 1 SUV isn't shocking, but its reputation is impossible to ignore. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins. Number 4. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid completely challenges what the industry treats as common sense. Normally, 3-row SUVs aren't expected to lead in reliability. They're larger, heavier, packed with more components, and built to carry more people, putting extra stress on the engine, transmission, and electrical systems. That added complexity typically means more problems over time, but this one defies that pattern. Consumer Reports gave the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid a reliability score of 88, a result that has competitors paying close attention. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander offers 3 powertrain options to fit different driving needs. First, a 2.4-liter turbocharged gas engine delivering 265 horsepower. Then, a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing 245 combined horsepower for drivers focused on efficiency. And for those who want serious power, the Hybrid Max pushes out an impressive 362 combined horsepower. All-wheel drive is available on gas and standard on Hybrid Max models, helping the SUV adjust to changing road conditions like rain, snow, or rough pavement. The McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension are tuned for a smooth, comfortable ride. Fuel economy remains competitive, up to 24 miles per gallon combined for gas models, 27 miles per gallon for Hybrid Max, and up to 36 miles per gallon combined for the standard hybrid. Towing capacity reaches 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Toyota also includes Toyota Care with 2 years or 25,000 miles of maintenance and 2 years of roadside assistance. Hybrid models get an 8-year/100,000-mile hybrid system warranty and a 10-year/150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. This is the 2026 Grand Highlander, built for modern families on the move. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV earns its spot because it delivers something increasingly rare: quiet, reliable excellence. No flashy gimmicks, no dramatic reinventions, just solid engineering in one of the most practical family SUVs on the road. Consumer Reports ranks it among the most dependable in its segment, and it's no surprise. Honda spent over a decade refining its hybrid technology, designing the CR-V hybrid to easily surpass 250,000 miles without major issues. What sets it apart is consistency. Owners report years of trouble-free driving, no battery degradation, no electrical failures, no transmission headaches. The electric motor delivers smooth acceleration, and the eCVT avoids the rubber band feel common in other CVTs. The gas engine rarely struggles unless you push it uphill. Mechanics love it for its simplicity. No fragile air suspension, no gimmicky sensors, no tech likely to fail once the warranty expires. It's a mature design built for longevity. Fuel economy sits around mid-40s miles per gallon, so savings add up quickly. Inside, it's classic Honda. Durable materials, intuitive controls, and zero rattles or premature wear. Resale remains strong too, at 68 to 70% after 3 years, rivaling Toyota-level reliability. If the Lexus NX350H is the tech-forward luxury hybrid, and the Highlander hybrid dominates three-row space, the CR-V hybrid is the quiet workhorse that never lets you down. And even this dependable performer isn't alone. Another hybrid has been quietly ruling the compact SUV segment for years. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia, second generation. This is Toyota at its most extreme. Built on the same platform as the Tundra, powerful, and built for long-term punishment. It's not small, it's not efficient, but it's incredibly dependable. For the best reliability, focus on 2012 to 2017 models. Earlier versions from 2008 to 2010 had a few early issues, including occasional cam tower oil leaks and air injection pump failures. The later years improved overall refinement and electronics. At its core is the legendary 5.7-liter iForce V8, producing 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This engine has a reputation for extreme longevity, with similar setups in trucks reaching hundreds of thousands of miles. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, reducing long-term maintenance concerns. Paired with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission, this SUV handles towing with ease. Despite its truck roots, the independent rear suspension delivers a smoother ride than most pickups, making it ideal for long family trips. One standout feature is the power rear window, which rolls all the way down perfect for airflow or pets. As for downsides, cam tower leaks can occur over time. They're usually minor but expensive to fix due to labor. Some owners simply monitor oil levels instead. With proper care, this SUV can reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles. Prices typically range from $13,000 to $22,000. It's big, tough, and built to last an SUV that rarely quits. But taking the top spot is the benchmark an SUV so respected it barely loses value over time. Number 1. The 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. You probably saw this coming. The 4Runner isn't just popular, it has a loyal following. In a market full of turbocharged crossovers and hybrids, this SUV stays true to its roots. Body on frame, naturally aspirated and built for the long haul. The best years to target are 2015 to 2024, though even the earlier 2010 to 2013 models are just as reliable. They simply cost less and look a bit more dated. The truth is, there are no major years to avoid. Just be cautious of rust or poorly modified examples. Power comes from a 4.0-liter V6 paired with a 5-speed automatic. On paper, it sounds outdated, and critics love to point that out. But that's exactly why it works. It's understressed, overbuilt, and incredibly dependable. No gear hunting, no overheating, just consistent performance year after year. Driving it feels old school in the best way. It leans in corners, dives under braking, and reminds you it's a truck at heart. Many trims even feature a manual transfer case lever, adding a level of mechanical connection that's disappearing in modern vehicles. Maintenance is straightforward. The engine bay is spacious, and routine services are quick and simple. As for weak points, they're minor. Door lock actuators can fail, and some four-wheel drive models develop a slight differential vibration, both relatively inexpensive fixes. Like any body-on-frame SUV, checking for frame rust is essential. Prices range from $18,000 to $35,000, but resale value is exceptional. Buy one, maintain it, and you're looking at a vehicle that can last a lifetime.